Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is downstairs. I'm just here because I got a package from the Cubicle that I wasn't expecting today. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. It's going to be a quick video. Alright, we got the official North American Championship mat. Nice. This cartoon, The Road to NAC 2026. In case you never seen it before. Well, let me take it out of the... you can see it clearly. I can see clearly now the way has come. Let's see, I just want to see if it's... Yeah, it's the same material. This little cartoon of somebody practicing and then heading over to, and then ends at the North American Championship. Pretty cool. I like it. Something different. He got some swag. He got his Cubicle bag, his lube. He flew, practiced on the plane, went to the venue, met some friends, competed, and he won. I don't know if he won, but he was happy. Nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it gives it a little color too. They give it a little color. What else I got? Ooh, the official T-shirt. Here we go. Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna. Ooh, I'm gonna like this T-shirt. Yeah. We got the one side that's green, and the one side that's blue. Rubik's North American Championship. Did they have the WCA? They have it on there. That's good. Raleigh, North Carolina. That's the one we should have went to, but unfortunately, Shelly got sick. But she's good now. But we had to cancel. We were in the car to go. Sponsored by the Cubicle, Rubik's, and the WCA. Ooh, this is nice. Yeah. Very nice. I like it. I like the whoever had the idea of changing the cuff here from the short sleeve to blue and green. That was a good idea. I like that idea. All right, the big one, the sweatshirt. I'm going to tell you right now, I got plenty of sweatshirts. So I'm trying to be a little bit selective. Whoa, that's nice. Very nice. I love wearing sweatshirts. It's too hot right now to wear them. But spring, winter, and fall, I'll be wearing them. Cool, this feels really nice. Oh yeah, I'm hanging that one up. I lost a lot of weight, so hopefully it's not too big on you. Nice, it's soft too. And the cuffs are green and blue. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna like this one. I'm gonna like it a lot. And then the t-shirt. Nice. I don't know. Should I wear this tomorrow? I like to wear my polo with my quarter zip with my Army logo when I go to competitions. Yeah, it's nice. So I probably won't wear that tomorrow, but got my pin. It's not really a pin, it's a magnet, but Rubik's WCA NA Champs 2026. Nice. Let me get it out of the I probably would never wear this or put it on my, because it would probably fall, but it was on my bag. But I'll probably collect these and then maybe make a little board with all my pins on it. Cool. Feels real nice. I like it. Yep. And it's just on there with a magnet. Yeah, it looks like the magnet's pretty tough. Of course, invoice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All NAC stuff. And then I got a card, of course, from Cubicle.com. And I got the official cube cover for the bam, got it. Just don't know where to stick it, so I'll stick it somewhere. But yep. That was definitely not a cheap buy because that sweatshirt was like 40 some dollars, high 40s too. So yeah, so nice. Let me get a good thumbnail in there. And that's about it. Yeah, that's all I have. I just wanted to show you what I got. That's all I have. So if you have anything, I got it. I'm going to take a nap and then I'm going to practice my 3x3 because I've been doing a lot of FTOs and a hell of a lot of pyramids, and I just solved a little bit with my mega mix, and I realized, oh man, I almost forgot a few things, or I wasn't quite sharp, you know. So when I practice that, I need to practice because I'm going to do my F2L, my intuitive F2L for the first time in the tournament. I'm still not at two look OOL and 2-look PLL. That's going to come soon, but I am going to try and do the 2-look because I can do it. It's going to slow me down a little bit, and hopefully it won't, you know. I just need to practice, and I think I can get, might not beat my best time, but there's a chance I might, and there's a chance I might get my best average. But, you know, remember when I'm at a tournament, I always drop like 10 seconds. So, because of nervousness or what have you. I just don't want to DNF, because last time I DNF was, I was inspecting and I start turning without dropping it and starting the timer. So, that's my main right there. It's the Swift block, but Cubicle did their alterations and put a ball core in there, magnets, and looped it really good. And that's my main. I got 2 of those. And then I'll bring just another Swift block so I can practice with. What else I have? Oh, and then I can bring my ferrocore too. I'll probably bring my ferrocore. Because this was my main, and then I switched it to the Swift block custom. Pro Shop custom. Yeah, that's about it. And then I am going to use my Danian Megamix and then my Gang. So for my, I'm going to DNF because it's only 3 minutes and 30 is the max time, and I can't swap a Megamix that fast. So I'll probably DNF both times, but it is what it is. I'm just going to stay there probably until the end so I can see. Every time I go to a tournament, I leave early because I'm done. But I want to stay maybe and film a little bit of the other people solving. I think they had the 4x4, 5x5, 6x6. They got some big cube competition. So yeah, so I'm going to just film them and have a good time. And traffic usually is around, well, it's Saturday, so I don't know if there is going to be traffic. Won't be normal traffic. So whenever they get done, I just come home. It's only an hour and a half to get home, so it's not that bad. So that is all I have. So if you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Whatever you do, don't stay in your seat. Get out, experience life. Don't let